This year, the State Marketing Workshop visited Atlanta, Georgia, where nearly 200 delegates from state agencies representing 48 states and D.C. converged for this year's theme, Navigating the Future of Angler and Boater R3. The three-day workshop brought together market and communications experts to talk about artificial intelligence, social media, customer retention, and a wide array of components designed to help states recruit, retain, and reactivate anglers and boaters.
They share these ideas, they want to share them, they want everybody to be successful.
What started as a group of, 20 people getting together to talk about best practices and learn from each other has grown to this 200 participants from 49 plus states.
Through breakout sessions, presentations, and roundtables, attendees gathered valuable lessons to help ecosystems and boaters and anglers back home thrive.
With the big G word, government, it feels kind of unapproachable for people, like the public especially. It's hard to connect with them. So adding a human face to the agency through an influencer, I think, is very beneficial.
I love that I can learn new and innovative ways to try to reach our customers or potential customers based on research and industry practices that I couldn't get alone in my agency.
I work in social media, so sometimes stuff is repetitive, and the thing I like about this conference is they really focus on new things.
It's not just RBFF putting on this, we bring outside professionals in, states share their own resources, and the networking that these folks do. When they leave here, they go back with any one of a dozen ideas that they can implement in their state, and if they struggle, they know there's somebody out there that's going to help stand them up and be successful in what they're doing.
New this year, the R3 Expo promoted even more opportunities to network and share ideas. Thought leaders like keynote speaker Shama Hyder, social influencer Jenny Anderson, and Sid Dobrin from the University of Florida headlined the event, providing expert insights from multiple disciplines in one single location. Thank you to our sponsors who helped create another successful event. We look forward to seeing you at the 2025 RBFF State Marketing Workshop as it makes its return beside the scenic Baltimore waterfront.